Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm showing you how to set up this 3.5 inch LCD screen on a Raspberry Pi. Now this screen is actually from eBay and it's called a KeDei or something pronounced like that. Now it's basically an eBay knockoff version. So if you look at the difference, the eBay knockoff version is actually a lot cheaper than the standard one that Raspberry Pi company actually makes. These are around the $12 US mark, whereas you look at the Raspberry Pi version's actually up over $100. Now there is some differences in the screen, and the main difference and what I had issues with when I first started to code this or set this screen up is the fact that the code that's designed for the Raspberry Pi version is actually quite different to these knockoff type of generic screens. So if you had the screen that was from Raspberry Pi, all you'd need to do is connect it up, turn it on, open the terminal, type in the code, and basically it would work. Now, I tried that with mine originally, and then this is what I ended up getting. Basically, it was just a white screen and it stayed like that. I actually connected up the HDMI to another computer and I checked, and it had an issue where it was actually on the loading screen. In the kernel it was actually crashed, and that was as far as I could get. Now I actually had to format the whole operating system after this happened. So the trick to getting this to work is to actually go down to the description below where I've got the link that goes off to the proper driver or the installation file that it's actually looking for. Instead of going through GitHub, it actually grabs it from this driver here, so you can paste that onto your Raspberry Pi. Now if you want, you can actually download the entire Raspberry Pi operating system that's set up for this screen all in one go. Now that's the second one under this image. Then all you're going to need to do is just flash your SD card with the operating system, which I've got a video that I've done in the past. You can check it out here. That shows you how to do that installation as well. So once you've done the setup, all you need to do is make sure that you've plugged the SD card in, and then all we need to do is plug the screen onto the top. Now it lines up with those first 4 pins, and then where the others land will be in the right spot. So basically just push those down onto those pins, and there you have it. That's all you need to do. Just plug in the power and then you'll see it load up with the screen all working. Now it is touchscreen, so you can click wherever you want on the screen and it acts like the mouse. Now you have to get used to, I guess, the size of the screen, and you can change the resolution in the settings. Just take note that you won't be able to use the HDMI. Now if you do want to either install this screen via the actual files itself, here's a bit of a list on how to start that installation and actually using the terminal to type in and extract it and install it. Now if you do want to revert back to using the HDMI, all you have to do is type this line into the terminal and you'll be able to disable the screen and switch back to the HDMI. So hopefully that's helped some of you out there that have been stuck on trying to get this screen working. Let me know if you have any other issues, and I'll try and help where I can. If you like the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more projects like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.